photo editing application back in the day, and it is still today jam-packed with AI features. I'll be showing you guys how to use them, get the best result when you use this application. Stay tuned. As here, there's quite a lot of AI features within this application here, and you can just tap on more options here to pretty much see what each AI feature does. So as you can see here, each of them you will see a local preview of what they do, at the expression AI, and so forth. If I scroll down as well, you can see other edits as well. It all depends upon you, what you guys want. So let me just go back to here. You have some video to image to video AI there. You have the image to image and so forth. You have the college photo option, which you can edit. So all you have to do is just tap on, let's say this one, and you just select a image out of your gallery. And you're pretty much good to go. So you have the AI advanced feature here as well. So quite a lot of AI features which you can use. And as well, you can use the camera option to take a picture immediately, or you can just use their simple photo editing feature, which they have. So for your subscription, if you tap on the code icon at the top there, it will pretty much show you their subscription and their prices for their subscription. You do get a 7-day free trial, so you can always test out your premium subscription to know if you want to continue with their subscription or anything like that. So as you can see, they always showcase what each feature does. So very good application, guys. I recommend you guys test it out, give some feedback, and let me know if you think this application is good or anything like that. But if you have any problem at all, comment below. I would gladly love to assist you. And that's it. See you guys in the next one.